Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you cook delicious rutabaga. First, select a firm, smooth rutabaga with no soft spots. Using a sharp vegetable peeler, carefully remove the thick, waxy outer skin completely, as it can be bitter. Then, place the peeled rutabaga on a cutting board and cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes. This consistent size ensures even cooking throughout your dish, making your meal perfect. Roasting is a fantastic way to bring out the best in rutabaga, creating a wonderfully tender interior with slightly caramelized edges. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, toss your 1-inch rutabaga cubes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like fresh thyme. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet, then roast for 25 to 30 minutes, turning once until fork tender and lightly browned. Mashed rutabaga offers a delightfully creamy texture, perfect as a comforting side. Begin by placing your 1-inch rutabaga cubes into a pot of cold, salted water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rutabaga is very tender and easily pierced with a fork. Drain the cooked rutabaga thoroughly, then mash it with 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of warm milk, salt and pepper until smooth and creamy. Rutabaga is incredibly versatile and makes an excellent addition to many meals. Serve roasted rutabaga alongside roast chicken, pork loin, or even as a flavorful component in a hearty stew. For a touch of extra sweetness, consider drizzling your mashed rutabaga with a teaspoon of maple syrup or a sprinkle of brown sugar. Remember, leftover rutabaga keeps well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making meal prep easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.